Snackheads, what's happening? It's your boy C-Snacks. I'm doing it for hot for food. That's why I'm doing it. Come on now. I was in Sprouts and doing my regular grocery shopping and all that. And yo, right in the refrigerator aisle, they got the frozen and refrigerated stuff. They had little boxes of these bad boys. These are called Nelly's, a little piece. They sell you a little piece. It's little like this, and they had the nerve to sell it. You should have like 2 of these little pieces in the pack, but you know what? It is what it is. So Nelly's, yeah, this is organic. It's soy-free. If you can see it, soy-free, plant-based, gluten-free, MCT fats, good source of fiber. Anyways, yeah, Nelly's. Go on, Nelly's. This is coconut with cashew. They have many different flavors. It's an organic little bar covered in dark chocolate. Snacks. You know I had to hop up on this. Come on now. Yo, so in the back it got a little story. I guess Nelly put this. No, Nelly's daughter wrote this. I gotta read this to y'all. I'm gonna try to read it in her voice. I don't know how she sounds. She might have a southern accent. I don't know. So she wrote in the back, I'm a mom of 2 kids who began making bars to give my family a great tasting treat I could feel good about. We only use organic, sustainable ingredients, no preservatives, additives, or anything artificial. I hope you enjoy as much as we do. Carla. Her name is Carla. I don't know why I gave her an accent, but big shout out to you, Nelly and Carla. Yeah, let me stop talking. Crack this bad boy open. Okay, yeah, so it's like a little bar. It's a little bar. Small, you know, you could, I guess this is shareable, but I'm a snackhead. I won't be sharing it with nobody. All right, man, like to taste it, here it go. Yep. 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 Okay. Nelly. This is a little knockoff of the Moms bar. The Moms bars, you ever had like the Moms or like the Bounty bars? You're supposed to refrigerate these. So if you buy these, you gotta refrigerate it. This tastes like a whole bunch of coconut. A little bit of cashew. I don't really taste the cashew, I taste the coconut. And then the dark chocolate. Nelly's, I like this, I don't know. A little bit pricey, but it is what it is. I gotta try out the other flavors. I'll give this a 3. It's your boy C-Snacks. I'm talking with a left jaw full of Nelly's coconut dark chocolate. Peace.